The moon has always been a mirror, teaches us to honor change, to glow fully, to fade softly, and to begin again without apology. Healing, like the moon, is never static. It's a rhythm of becoming and unbecoming, a dance between light and shadow. What if we could learn to move with this cosmic rhythm instead of fighting it? The Lunar Cycle Kit was created to help you move with your emotions instead of against them. Think about it. Each lunar phase reflects a psychological pattern. We have phases of new beginnings, of growth and expansion, of letting go, and finally, of deep rest. By syncing your healing practices to these phases, you teach your nervous system the same rhythm the earth already knows. Your body is wise. It remembers this ancient clock. You're not learning a new language. You're simply remembering one you've always known. So how do we begin? It's simpler than you think. Start each moon cycle with a simple question. What am I ready to release, and what am I ready to receive? During the new moon, plant your intention. Write it down. Speak it aloud. Feel it in your heart. As the moon waxes towards full, celebrate what's growing. Notice the small wins and the progress you've made. When the full moon arrives, it illuminates everything. This is a time for gratitude and full expression. Then, as the moon wanes, it's time to let go. This could be through journaling, a burn letter ritual, or simply a deep, releasing exhale. Finally, we enter the dark moon phase, a sacred pause for rest. This is where integration happens. Healing happens here, in these quiet cycles of reflection, not in a frantic push for perfection. This journey with the moon isn't about adding more to your to-do list. It's about creating space. It's a gentle permission slip to rest when you need to shine when you feel full, and to honor every single phase of your own becoming. The kit is just a guide. The real magic is already within you, waiting to align with the pull of the tides and the light of the moon. Are you ready to begin? Thank you for sharing this quiet moment with me. If this resonated with you, please like this video and subscribe for more content on healing and mindful living. I'd love to hear in the comments which lunar phase you connect with the most.